Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I am going to show you how to attach patch on the neckline. I have already secured the patch with the pins on the wrong side of the material, and this is also the wrong side of the patch. We have to make a stitch here on the neckline and fold it on the right side. Now make a stitch on the edges of the neckline. So little by little, very carefully. Now cut the extra fabric according to the neckline. Make small notches all over. I have folded the patch on the right side, and also I have ironed it and secured the patch with the pins. Now make a stitch on the edges of the patch very neatly and carefully. Once you reach to the curve, lift the footer and move the material on its direction where we need to sew. Now same way I am going to make a stitch on all over the edges of the patch. If you found this video helpful, please like, comment and share the video. Subscribe for more videos. I am done with joining this patch on the neckline. Thanks for watching the video.